Hey everybody, it's Reviews and More, back with another quick follow-up review. This is, as you can tell, the Copper Chef little mini air fryer. It's about 40 bucks, a little less than where you're at. Sam's is where I purchased originally. So we're doing just like a 1-year follow-up. It's actually been 1 year and almost 6 months, and this thing gets regular use, and it's one of those items that still exists and is still sold in various colors and everything else. But it's from Copper Chef, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like after a year of consistent use. This thing gets used probably once every 48 hours. You got a little crack there on the little handle. As always, if you find the review helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. And there you see the trivet. It's dirty, but it's cooked on. Like the non-stick started to fade, but not in a way that made it not work. It was just a matter of like when food got burned on there, it had to soak for a long time to get it off, and there's just this layer of residue that does not want to scrub off, and to use anything abrasive would destroy any non-stick on it. So that's kind of gone away, although for the most part I don't cook anything in there that really gets stuck to it. So I'm picking out a food to test it today that is notoriously sticky, and that's going to be some fried cheeses. These are fried Gouda rings because the company that makes these says, how do we sell Gouda to Americans? We're going to make them look like donuts. So that's how we're going to do it. They love donuts. They'll eat more of these things. And so this is just going to kind of test the stickiness. Also, the functionality of the item still works perfectly. The heat works fine. So whatever internal thermostat or measurement device in there is still going strong after all this time. And that's kind of what this review is kind of indicating, hopefully, to you guys, is that this item will last. It'll last quite a long time. I'm not going to say it's going to stay non-stick forever because I can't say that. And we're always good about cleaning it because, you know, sometimes people get a little fast and furious with the air fryer. They just gotta dump their food and go eat, then go to sleep, or at least I do because I'm kind of lazy. So there you go. That's what they look like, nice and golden brown. Then we're gonna actually get them arranged a little, make them look kind of nice. A little bowl with some marinara sauce, and from there we're gonna just show you how ooey gooey they are. And yes, there is a little bit of cheese in the bottom. We'll show that in just a moment. And here we go, break it open. Obviously, it cooked it through. It only takes minutes to heat it through. It doesn't take long to cook these things, but it's nice golden brown, nothing's burnt. We cook everything in this that's fried. It doesn't matter if it's meant to be fried or not. My son in particular is 7, so of course everything's about those Tostino's pizza pockets. He loves the little Tostino pizza bites. They're really good, and they cook very quickly. So basically it's still going strong, still a great product in my opinion. The trivet, as you can see here, it's not as non-stick and certainly not as pretty. There's some cooked on greasy marks, but as far as like it being sanitary, it is sanitary. It's been cooked. I scrubbed this thing. It's been run through a dishwasher at this point because we kind of gave up on keeping it out of chemicals because we were scrubbing off the surface, which was not functional, but everything kind of falls right off of it. There's a little piece of cheese on there I didn't quite get, but I'll pop it off real quick. Nothing really sticks to it, so it's still a good product, still does the job, and for 40 bucks it's still going strong a year and a half later. So I think it's a great idea and a great product if you want to check it out. Here is just the results after a year. So thank you guys, have a great day. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful, and see you later.